What's the meaning of community language learning? Community language learning. Community language learning.
Community language learning. Community language learning. Community language learning, CLL, is a teaching approach that emphasizes students' involvement in the learning process. In CLL, students work in a group with a facilitator who acts as a counselor and helps them express themselves in the target language. The goal of CLL is to create a supportive and comfortable environment for language learning, where students can learn from each other's experiences and build confidence in using the language. Research has shown that CLL can lead to increased motivation, improved speaking skills, and enhanced cultural understanding.